Welcome back, everybody. It is Thursday, and obviously it is fall season. I'm wearing a beanie, sweatshirt. This is a camellia. See that little buds on it? The camellia plant, beautiful evergreen, fall, winter blooming shrub. The rest of your shrubs need trimming. Look at that pyracantha. Those are the ones that have the big Jesus Christ thorns on them. Definitely gonna be here pretty soon for a trimming mission. We have 7 properties today, and 2 of them are done. I'll show you, I have 2 new properties we picked up this year that I haven't really showed anybody. So, I'll show you them real quick. They're right here in the same neighborhood. So this yard is right next to the other yard. Nice, easy little property. Just goes down to the back and to the right. It's extremely small. So, definitely a good property to pick up right next door. And the third property is down there, right in the corner. She came up a couple times and stopped me, so yeah, we picked hers up last month. Picked this one up 2 months ago. So I think there's only 2 new properties I picked up this year by choice. So the 2 yards that I just showed you up there on top of the street, one of them I had for 9 years. That one's grandfathered in at 60, and the one beside it is not even half the size of it, and that one's 60 as well. We do the weeds, trim the bushes, and do the mulching every season. So this one here, just picked it up, like I said. That one's 80 per mow, and it's weekly. All these are weekly. So 80 times 4 is 320, plus weed patrol twice for 40 each. It's $400 a month. So there is push mowing involved because there's some wet sections in a fenced in backyard. And get these done, I'll check back in. Y'all ready? Yeah, we got weed patrol in the backyard today, so yay. Got a little bit of fall color. Not much going on yet. Just a little bit in the shrubs. No trees. we're at the cul-de-sac now. It is 1:15 Thursday. Beautiful sky looking like a marble. But Hurricane Ian is coming. So for right now, we have our own Ian in the truck as always. Well, maybe not always. Majority of the time. We have 2 bushes to transplant on the top home after we mow. We have pond maintenance on the castle property after we mow. And got a tree limb that I forgot last week, the chainsaw. So we'll go ahead and knock that one out too. So a few little extra jobs, but like I told you guys, many videos in the past, if you want to make the most of your time and money and not run around to 25 properties a day, look for the nice big estates, properties that want everything done. The more you can do, the more you can charge, the happier everybody is. Most homeowners would rather have one guy to do 100 tasks than 20 different contractors, and that brings chaos. So think about that when you're out there looking for your next properties, when you're going through this winter and advertising for the spring. Think about where you're going to advertise. It's important. We'll check back in. Got a lot of mowing to do. I think we'll be done like at 4:30, 5 o'clock today. So not a bad day at all.
It's time to go home.
Not home yet. And we're back. We're at the forest property today, and we have a special project coming up this weekend that involves a nice big track stump grinder machine fighting against the forest that we took down last winter in those video series. So I'll be pretty cool. We'll go through the stump grinder machine just like we did the big diesel chipper that we did on those videos, and we'll go through how to work it and definitely show some footage on that. We also have a project that we're going to walk through, and the reason we're going to walk through it now is because we had it at a price like $14,500 altogether. We need to drop it down some, so we're gonna just take the scope off of it for right now. We'll do the entire thing by the time spring comes, but for right now, budget says stop it right here, and we'll do the rest later. First, I'm gonna go through and blow because it's that time of season. It's fall. Everybody's loving it. And I don't know, some of you guys like blowing footage. Whatever. We're gonna get some cleanup footage. Here it is. All right, so here's where the stumps start. We probably got at least 100 of them throughout this area and the rest of the property that we're doing. But the area that gets the new yard is 86 by 86. And pretty big area. Put a new lawn installation because we're gonna have to bring in a lot of fill dirt and topsoil. So originally we were gonna do this part all the way over here to a whole nother section behind here. Since we had to downsize the budget, we'll probably go here to the wood line, which was the major concern anyways, because like I said in the videos before, all that was forced and we took it down last winter. So hopefully this weekend will go good with stump grinder and me on a mission. We'll get it all done. And when I say we, I don't know if I'll have help or it'll just be me, you, and the stump grinder. So at any rate, we shine this place up good. Still got nice edges on the beds from spring work, and nice and cleaned up. Obviously we had leaves that are not there anymore, so. So if you're ever gonna use a stump grinder, always call your Miss Utility in your area and get all the lines marked before you come in here and do some crazy stuff and getting a big fine if you don't call, causing a lot of damage. So this right here is where the machine's gonna be going back and forth for dirt, because I don't think I can get these dump trucks very close back there. That's part of the logistics of the job. A lot of back and forth with the skid steer.